Hi everybody, my name's Maria. And what's your name?
Micah.
I'm Maria of Mind Body Health, and we are going to show you just one of our tricks. I know I hear all the time that I'm busy, I'm working so much, I don't have time to make healthy meals. This is how we do it. So all of this stuff we've gotten online. I don't like to go to the grocery store. All of this stuff ships right to my house. Even Butcher Box. This is a pork spare ribs. You could do the beef ribs if you do that. But I'm going to have you, can you open this? Can you cut that open?
Sure.
I love using my slow cooker, and I have a great family that helps me clean up dinner. Well, I prepare dinner for the next night. So what I often do is I'll fill my slow cooker right after we have dinner, and I'll put the shell of it into the fridge, and then all I have to do is take it out in the morning and plug it in and turn it on. You could also use your Instant Pot. Hey, let's use the scissors, bud.
Alright, it's so hard.
All right, we're gonna use the scissors, okay? We'll just cut that open, right? We don't want you to break a tooth.
Aww.
Aren't your teeth coming out already anyway?
Yeah. See?
Oh boy. So I'm gonna put everything in here. And again, I got this from Butcher Box. This came from Tropical Traditions, and I'm just gonna open it up now that my hands are all slimy. So I'm gonna open that up, and I'm gonna put about a cup in that. And if you cannot do nightshades, so if you can't do tomatoes, we also have done it with our kettle and fire broth. Again, something you can get online. But then we're gonna add a little bit of a Mexican spin on it and use my Maria's Kitchen taco seasoning. And so I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons in with my ribs. And I'm gonna put the cover on and turn it on low for about 8 hours until they're falling off the bone, and then we'll come back and finish the video. Hey everybody, we had a super busy day and we just got back from a really long walk and we're hungry. What's your name, buddy?
Kai.
Kai. Hi. Say hi everybody.
Hi.
All right, so our ribs should be falling off the bone, and we let them cook on low for about 8 hours. Oh, those look good. What we like to do is we like to put them, I love my toaster oven because it's hot out, and, ooh, careful bud, we don't want to touch hot. It's hot out, and toaster ovens, they don't heat up your whole house, neither do slow cookers, so this is how we like to cook in the summertime. Oh yeah, this looks great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out and put them on a pan. We want the skin up. All right, and you can see all that yummy spices and tomato sauce. And I am going to throw these into my toaster oven for about 10 minutes. The skin is going to get nice and crispy. And in the meantime, you have a bunch of yummy sauce in here that you can use to dip your ribs in. And we'll check in a little bit. All right, so my ribs were in the oven. I didn't heat the house up, and you can see how crispy and lovely they got. Look at that. Oh my gosh, who can't do this, right? So I'm just gonna plate this up, and I have extra sauce on my plate because you all know that I love sauce, and I garnished it with a little bit of herbs, and dinner is served.